Well, I am really tired. I know I say that quite often in my before the intro clips. Actually, I haven't said that in a while. But I woke up and I'm like, I do not want to get out of bed. But I have to, because I have school. Awkward cut to intro. Good morning, SHunShiners and possibly SHunShaders. Guess who is going to actually get the bus today? It's me. There should not be any other guesses. It should be me. So let's hope that actually happens. Awkward. So today in film and animation, I was looking at all the people I had already interviewed for my documentary on YouTube, and I came up with a brilliant idea. Why not include some people who may make videos who watch my videos? So I'm gonna ask the questions that I usually would ask to the other person and such. You can post a video response. I guess I have no clue how I'm gonna take the video response off YouTube to use it, but you can post a video response answering these questions, and you can possibly be in my documentary on YouTube that I'm making and such. Okay, the questions are as they are now. I might add some, change them, I don't know. What do you watch on YouTube? Why do you watch YouTube? Who do you watch on YouTube? Do you think making videos for YouTube is a legitimate occupation? Do you think that YouTube has done anything to influence society? And I guess I think I cut this one from the actual questions, but if you could change anything on YouTube, like how the site functions, what would it be? I might not include that answer because I think I realized that question had nothing to do with the documentary. Also, I would need to know your name and whether or not you want to just have your first name, your first and last name. If you have a YouTube account, which by the way, that's another question. If you have a YouTube account, what is it? So your name, your YouTube channel, and then classify yourself among one of these categories. You can choose more than one, I guess. Casual YouTuber, medium YouTuber, YouTube addict, and then if you make videos, you're also a YouTube creator. Sort of, I guess. I really don't know what defines that, but whatever, I'm including it. If you send me a video response with those answers, or you can email them to me to my YouTube email, which is the same name as my YouTube channel at gmail.com, I'll try to work a couple of those clips in there and such. Just send me the clips, don't put any titles, I will do that. So yeah, that was my brilliant idea and such. So now I'm gonna stop walking in circles and do my homework. Awkward. Okay, it's official. I hate physics. Okay, more or less, I hate having to calculate things in physics. I mean, speed, acceleration, all that stuff is easy. But when they give you the acceleration and the time, and then you have to manipulate the formula to find how high up the thing was dropped from, my brain like literally exploded. I could not figure out how to do it. Like, I was like racking my brain, going through my notes frantically. I had to call my mom, who is a physics minor, to help me. I haven't needed my mom's help on anything in my homework. Well, that's debatable, but I haven't actually asked for help since middle school. In some parts of the country, junior high. So I'm like, wow, okay, I do not like this. Physics is not fun. That's a pun, because, PH. I was spelling fun with PHs. Okay. That rhymed. Okay, awkward. So yesterday, I kind of made a deal with my dad that I would start driving every single day, well, almost every single day, starting today, because a lot of things are coming up that I need my license for, because the musical rehearsals are going to start. By the way, I got the role of Gus in the Pajama Games. Basically, in older versions of the play, my character was simply called Helper 1 or something like that. But in this version, I'm Gus. I probably have like one line. Anyways, rehearsals start tomorrow, and my mom is tired of picking me up at school on Mondays and now rehearsal days, and when variety show, Mr. DHS, the trip to VidCon that may or may not be happening this summer, I need my license. So I need more driving practice, and I am going to get it. So awkward cut. Okay, let's try this. The key is in, and... Does not start? Nope. Hey Dad, remember to get that new battery for the smart car. Okay. So I decided every single half year I would update the outro montage. Well, according to my calculations, I have to upload a new outro on day 548.5. Well, I have yet to make said outro. I'll do it this weekend, so it'll be a little bit later than half a year, but still. I have an idea about what clips to include, but if you have any suggestions, I will take them into account and I might use them. So just tell me what day the clip took place in. You have, I believe, from day 367 until the present. So yeah, you can go back and find your favorite clip, I guess, if you want to. Such. Though the outro is roughly 31 seconds long. So, not much time for long clips. Also, it would help to say maybe about the time in the video when the clip happens and such. So I'll do that this weekend. So probably Sunday or Monday I'll unveil the new outro in a separate video, as well as including it in the actual vlog for that day. Or the day before, technically. But anyways, awkward. Well, I have 113 subscribers. If I get 10 more, I'll design a t-shirt. No guarantees I'll sell it just yet, but at least I will have a design. And that might also not be ready on the exact day because I have to completely redesign my logo in order to make the t-shirt work. Unfortunately. Anyways, good night, whoever's watching this. See you tomorrow. Well, I won't see you, but you will see me. Awkward cut to outro.
There's a vlog on the web featuring Ben Stock that he shoots every day as he walks and talks. If you're Bigfoot in the woods or producers in LA, you should stop all your shit and watch SHunSHineSHate. 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 Has nothing to do with Florida, but it's great. If you can't wait, don't get irate. Just stay in your sheet, cause it's SHunSHineSHate.